Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make clam chowder recipe step by step. Begin by prepping clams, bacon, onions, celery, and potatoes so cooking flows smoothly. Cook bacon until crisp to render fat, then sauté aromatics for depth. Steam clams separately and reserve the juice for broth. Use diced potatoes to thicken naturally, and finish with heavy cream for a silky, comforting chowder that's easy to customize and serve. Start by rendering bacon until crisp and use the fat to sauté onions and celery until soft and fragrant. Stir in 2 tablespoons of flour to create a light roux and cook for a minute to remove raw taste. Slowly whisk in reserved clam juice and additional stock, then add diced potatoes and simmer until tender. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, and a splash of cream to bring the chowder together warmly and smoothly. Reserve cooked clams and fold them into the chowder near the end to prevent overcooking and keep them tender. Add heavy cream for richness, stirring gently and avoiding a full boil once dairy is added to maintain smoothness. Finish with fresh parsley and serve with warm crusty bread or oyster crackers for a classic touch. Taste and adjust seasoning, then ladle into bowls for comforting, hearty servings your guests will enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.